my train of thought. Connie came here. Oh, song. So one of the first songs that I got a chance to learn up here were, well, actually I was familiar with the song. I just didn't know the words. And I guess I got a crash course when I came to this island because I came over here young, naive, make up my own words, not realizing who was in the audience. And I sang this song. We were playing at the time. We were playing at this place called the Hawaiian Region Hotel, which is now the Marriott Hotel. And we used to play in the lobby bar over there, and I sang this song, and I did not realize that one of the composers of the song was in the audience. So you could imagine the grief on his face when he heard me massacre his song. But there was some light at the end of the tunnel because when he came up to me at the end of our set, he bashed me first, in a nice way. And then he proceeded to compliment me on how much of a beautiful voice I had. And he said, he gave me his number, and he said, call me tomorrow, I'll give you the correct words. Never mind singing the damn wrong words you're singing. So true story. So I called him the next day, he gave me the words, he invited me over to Kaimuki, to their home, and I got to meet him and his brother, and they shared some other songs with me, but this is one song that he shared with me personally, that he had written for his wife. His name was Kahawanu Lake. He was a little bit gentler in the 90s. In the 90s, he was a little bit more nice than what we've come to know him when he got a little bit older. But he shared this song, he shared this song with me that he had written for his wife. It goes a little something like this. Oh, hey, oh, everybody.